morning, my dear friends. I am happy to be standing here as the president of this ping pong club. Thank you so much, everyone, for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in this ping pong club. I joined this club since standard 3. I love ping pong and I wanted a platform to be able to improve my skill. These past 3 years, I not only improved my skill, I met my great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I would like to thank my coach, Ms. Dan, for teaching me about ping pong. My coach taught me a lot of skills like defense, attack, body posture, and standing position. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement and teamwork. In elementary school, a lot of people threw rubbish in ping pong room. We picked up together and we warned them not to do again. I would also like to thank my parents for their supporting. Without them, I will not be able to go this far. They bought me a good ping pong racket and sports shoes for me. For new members, our ping pong club has a lot of benefits. They are: number 1, ping pong competitions which you can join. Number 2, show your student card and get 5% discount on equipment in Eon. Number 3, free ping pong cover worth 25 ringgit. I will be serving for 1 year as president of this ping pong club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are few things in my plan which I will carry out. Number 1, buy 3 more ping pong tables. Number 2, add 1 more ping pong room for member practice. Number 3, increase our member from 15 people to 30 people. I will not be able to do this myself. That is why I need all of you. Teamwork make dream works. I will serve with all my heart and I will give my very best for this ping pong club. Thank you.